AI is most powerful when it's specific, when it's tied to your knowledge and expertise. You can combine that with the world knowledge that the AI tools and the large language models are built upon. So, how do you connect that information? Well, in this demo, we are really excited to have Michael Klein, a Chippster, share how he's connecting Chipp with Ticketmaster. Ticketmaster, as you probably know, sells tickets to concerts around the world, and he wanted to make sure that he could have answers about the most interesting events going on in his community with his app 412 Music. So check out Michael's demo coming up right now on how to integrate Chipp with Ticketmaster and learn how you can connect Chipp with any tool using an API from this demo.
So this recording is to give an overview of the edits I made with an API to enhance the function of my 412 Music app, which you can see here. The driving factor was that sometimes when running searches with the app, it would give outdated information and not complete information. So I went looking for APIs that would help me enhance the search. But anyway, the first thing I did with the app was I created an enhanced prompt to make sure that it would give me current information about upcoming shows. And to do that, I added this little part here about only provide information about events in the current date forward. And it does that well enough most of the time, but I thought it would be helped by being able to link to something that had more current information than radio station sites and newspapers and TVs. So when I found that Ticketmaster has APIs. And if you look here at all their APIs, all you have to do is go out and get a free account. And my goal was to get information about events, and that's in their Discovery API right here. So when you go to this Discovery API page, you can see they've got different listings for event details, images, attraction searches, and everything. I focused on get event details because I just wanted to know where and when were these events happening. And there are several locations in the Pittsburgh region that have a Ticketmaster ticketed events. And so you can see there's a lot of different parameters that you can use. So I went over into my Chipp app, 412 Music. You can see here I added this API action for get Ticketmaster events. And I put in the get method and the URL. And down here I loaded in things like city, radius, size, etc. I could go in and find all the shows that are listed under this Pittsburgh area. And then after that, I added this conversation starter to show me a list of upcoming Ticketmaster events. And now when you run it, it'll start putting up upcoming events. And it includes the venue, the date, a link to get tickets. And that's one of the things that I specify in the prompt was I want venues, I want dates, and I want links for tickets. It has a tendency for some reason I've noticed to focus on this Roxy in theater. So in order to get by that, I have to ask it specifically in another prompt to include all venues that are run by Ticketmaster. But you can see there's lots of shows. And that's pretty much it.